This is pretty insane. I tell you what, if this video gets 10,000 likes, then I will wear this out in public and get some reactions. Let me know if you want to see that.
What's up guys, Saf here on SuperSaf TV and welcome to a new episode of Unboxing Time, mystery unboxings of cool tech. This is the first episode of 2021. I've not done one of these in some time because, to be honest, I was just getting bored of the format. It was becoming too structured and it almost felt like I was doing 10 mini reviews in one video and it was just too much work. So I'm actually taking some inspiration from my buddy Jeddah on Your Average Consumer and doing it more in his massive mystery unboxing, which is similar to this series. So I'm taking some inspiration from him and we'll go through a lot more products this way and we can do more of these episodes as well. So let's get to it. So obviously this big box, I think you guys know what's inside here, but we're gonna put that to the side and we're gonna pick one of these other boxes. Let's start off with this. So this is the Rode Vlogger kit, and this filming kit for mobile phones. So let's have a look inside here. All right, so inside here we've got a few bits. There's a mic here, and it's got this wing jammer. Comes with a lot of stuff. We've also got a light. So this is everything that we get inside the kit. There's also these little diffusers. And then what we'll do is let's kind of put all of this together and we'll do a quick test. We're all set up here. So we've got it hooked up to the iPhone. There's the light, there's a mic. So we've got the whole setup, and this is the universal version. So it's got the 3.5mm jack. You can also get the version for Android with USB Type-C or the Lightning version. But what I've just done is I've just used the converter here. So let's see what it looks like when you record. So this is a quick test. I'm using the iPhone mic that's on board. Let's compare it to the Rode. Now we have the Rode Vlogger kit connected with the mic as well as the light. So let me know what you think. Right, moving on, we'll pick this one. So this is actually from Shure. It's the MV podcast microphone. Now, if you don't know already, I've started a podcast. You should have checked it out by now. It is called SuperSaf Speaks. Right now I've been using the Blue Yeti X, which has been really, really good, but I want to experiment with a different mic. So Shure has sent this over. And I've also got the Jerry Rig Everything official knife. This is going to be my new unboxing knife going forward. So let's open this up. Welcome to better sound. I hope so. All right, so we've got some paperwork and here is the mic itself. Ooh, look at that. I've heard lots of good things about this mic, and this is actually the version that you can connect via USB, so it's just gonna make things a lot easier. It's the silver version. It's also available in a black. Now inside you also get a USB Type-C to micro USB cable, as well as a micro USB to USB Type-A cable. And I'm gonna have to get a proper mic stand on the table, which I'm gonna have to look for later on. But you can see here that we've got the micro USB input, but we've also got the XLR input, so you can use this as USB, but I don't have a full deck or anything like that, so this is actually gonna be a lot easier for me. If you wanna hear how this sounds, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the podcast channel, SuperSaf Speaks. Next, we also have some earphones from Shure. These are the AEonic 50 wireless headphones. You obviously need to monitor the audio that you're recording when you're actually speaking as well. So we've got a long wearing comfort, up to 20 hours of battery life, environment mode, adjustable noise cancellation, and a 2-year limited warranty. There we go. Oh, nice case. Right, so they actually come in this really nice looking black case, which you can zip open. And there they are. Wow, they look really good. Also got some charging cables. These look really, really nice. Let's kind of put them on, see how they fit. Oh, nice. Yeah, really good fit. Very, very comfortable. Again, how they sound will be covered in the podcast. Moving on, we actually have a t-shirt. This is from Mr. Beast. Now, I don't know if you guys remember this, but he basically had put something on the moon. So you can send a picture to the moon, which I did, and also got this t-shirt. I'm not gonna put it on because I can't put it on top of this, but yeah, Cool t-shirt from Mr. Beast. Love the logo. He's so good at making money. Anyway, we'll move straight on. Okay, now this is the Legion Phone Duel, and I actually was supposed to cover this last year, so I'm so sorry, Lenovo, that it's so late. I wanted to check this out, but it's just been so busy, and you know, the unboxing time series went on pause. So let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, so we've got the box here. That is cool. Did you hear that sound? Did you hear that sound? That was so cool. Anyway, all right, let's take this out the box and see what else we get inside. So there's a case, some paperwork, SIM card ejector tool. We've got two USB Type-C to USB Type-C cables. One's a shorter one, one's a longer one. And then we have the 65-watt charger. Now, this can actually charge from 0 to 100% in like 30 minutes. And that's because we've got a split battery, and that way it charges both of them at the same time, which is pretty awesome. Now let's take the phone out of its plastic. Ooh, that switched on by itself. That was pretty cool. Anyway, check that out. It's got the RGB at the back. That looks really slick. And yeah, I mean, I'm definitely liking the look of this. So we've just switched this on, and it straight away comes up with the whole introduction. Yeah, and it's got these air triggers here at the top. It's also very loud, so the stereo front-facing speakers are pretty awesome too. So we've set this up. It's actually got a 6.65-inch full HD display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. So definitely made for gaming. And I mean, it looks super cool. The cameras are here in the middle, which is really weird. I've never seen a device with cameras here in the middle. And then we do have a USB Type-C port here as well as at the bottom. So when you are gaming, and if you do plug this in, then you're gonna be absolutely fine. You're gonna be able to carry on and game as normal. So yeah, awesome. It's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. So even now, if you were to pick this up, this is still gonna be super powerful. Once again, so sorry I covered this late. All right, we've got some stuff from Spigen. Spigen have been sending a lot of boxes, so let's just see what they've got inside here. We've got a few bits. So this is the Spigen Power Arc. So this is a power adapter. This is actually a US version, but it's got USB Type-C. We've got the Spigen Power Arc Airfield Magnetic Wireless Charger. So this is a MagSafe charger. We've then got a Mag Armor case for the 12 Mini. We've also got a Mag Armor case for the 12 Pro Max. And we also have another box from Spigen. So Spigen have sent a lot of stuff. So this is actually a Team Spigen mug. Well, it's like I think it's like a temperature controlled mug. We've got Spigen mask. And this is like a bottle opener clip. So lots of stuff from Spigen. Cheers Spigen for sending all this stuff over. Huge fan. I love all of Spigen's stuff, so definitely do go ahead and check them out. Okay, moving on, we've got some products from Jeddah for the Tesla Model 3 or the Model Y. This one here is the Jeddah USB hub, and it replaces what is a bit of a mess inside the Tesla Model 3, the previous version anyway. All right. Okay, that is cool. So you'll see here that we've got two USB Type-A ports, which just connect right into the Tesla. And then you get 3 ports as well as 2 USB Type-C ports. So you'll know that the older version of the Tesla, the one I've got, I say older, but it's the 2020, not the 2021, only has 2 USB Type-A ports. So this is actually gonna kind of update it for you. But what's really cool is that this section here actually comes out. So if I can do that, good thing I didn't cut my nails. So you'll see here that we can actually connect something and it's gonna be tucked away. So one of the things that you have on the older Tesla Model 3s is that the USB stick, somebody could just come in and pull it out. And you do have it in the glove box in the newer version, but this kind of keeps it nicely tucked away. Now, what can you have in here? Well, you can have the Jeddah SSD. We'll just shake that out. And there you go. And what you have here is a 256 GB SSD with this USB port. So what you can do is on the hub, you can just take this out and then you can just plug in this one here And then you've got the high-speed 256 GB SSD all tucked away. At a glance, you're not going to be able to tell that this is removable, and it also means that you'll be able to store everything. Do not have your Sentry or dashcam footage on a regular USB stick, which is not capable of those higher speeds, as well as the durability for continuous recording. I've fried a couple of USB sticks, so that's talking from experience. This is a really, really good solution. And Jeddah have also got a discount code that they've given me for $25 off. I'll leave that linked down in the description. Almost through all the boxes before we get to the big one. This is the Amazon Echo Show 10. So this is an Alexa smart display slash speaker. And we'll take this out. Okay, this was just released, and what you have here is, you'll see straight away, it's got a rotating display, so it can go 360, it can follow you around. Let's quickly plug this in. We've set this up. Alexa, follow me. Look at that. There you go. So you'll notice that this can rotate and face towards you. Alexa, stop following me. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna just move this here so you can see it. So we have the screen. This is a 10-inch screen, I think, roughly. Pretty thick bezels. It's got a 13 megapixel camera. The idea behind this is that, say you're in the kitchen or something, then if you're following a recipe, then while you're moving from side to side, this can actually track you. A little bit freaky to start with, but then you can also use it to monitor your home. So if you are out and, you know, it can actually look around your house, which is pretty cool. And the speaker as well, it's a directional speaker. So again, when you're moving around, then it's going to be following you with that audio. It's pretty steep, 240 pounds, and it's powered by MediaTek's chipset, which is pretty cool. I think my buddy Tom, the tech chap, has actually done a detailed review of this, so I'll link his video down in the description. A couple more boxes. What is this? This is a Gale car wireless charging holder. So let's check this out. All right, so we've got a suction cup to put it up against the windscreen. And then we've got a USB Type-C, good stuff, USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. So then you can just have this on your windscreen, and then it's also going to be wirelessly charging your device, which is pretty cool. And this package is, what is it called? It's a Divoom D2, a retro pixel art portable speaker. Okay, something a little bit different. Oh, okay, gives me the arcade retro vibes. All right, look at that. All right, so that's just the case for it, and this is the actual speaker. Let's switch it on. So we've got a display on here, which I'm assuming you can customize using Bluetooth. So it's got a Bluetooth symbol on here right away. All right, that's pretty cool. There's some buttons here, so you can kind of skip tracks, and they're like the mechanical key buttons here. That is really, really cool. We've just set it up and we've just connected it via Bluetooth. Now I can control the volume from here, put it higher or lower. And it's got some animations, LED animations that you can see. Okay. Fun little speaker from Divoom. Almost there. The last thing before the big box is the Recover Pro Lite. It's actually a massager. There's a sticker at the back which I didn't cut open first. Anyway. There we go. Ooh, comes in a nice case. So that's like a little briefcase thing, so you could just carry it around nice and easily. All right, and there it is. It's got all of these different attachments on. Kind of looks like a gun. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. That's at the lowest speed, but it can go. Ooh. Whoa, okay, that's a bit too much. That's really cool. So if you are working out, you want some recovery, you know, because I've been working out a lot personally, especially over lockdown, this is going to be super useful. Thank you, Recover Pro. Okay, now to the big boy. A lot of you guys will know what this is. This is actually the Biovisor. Now, you may have already seen this on a few other videos, but essentially what this is, if I can take it out and show you, is pretty much a spacesuit. Now it does come with a few filters which you can get refills for, so these filters will go inside and, you know, clear out the air for you. And it also comes with a power bank which has two USB type A ports and a micro USB. What is it with micro USB? Why are people still using micro USB? Anyway, this is what's going to be powering the Biovisor, and you know, this kind of takes masks to the next level. So we've got a section here which is where you put one of the filters. So this is where the air actually comes in from, and then the air comes in, you breathe it out, and then it goes out here from the top where you also have another filter. So let's switch this on and try it on. So you plug the both in and out, and then you do have some settings here. So that's how much airflow you actually want. You've got 3 different settings. You can hear the fans whirling away, and then this kind of tucks in at the front, and then you can just put this on. Let's put this on and see how it is. Okay.
All right. I hope you can hear me because of the mic, but you can clip on here on either side. What do you guys think? What do I look like? Do I look like a spaceman? Now, one of the things is I can definitely hear the fans, so they're whirling away. I don't know if I can hear much outside. Riz, say something. Okay, I can hear, but it's definitely quite noisy. And then there's 2 gloves, so you have some zip compartments, and then you can put your hand in, and there you go. So it's like, gonna itch your nose or something like that. You can do that here. So yeah, this is pretty insane. I tell you what, if this video gets 10,000 likes, then I will wear this out in public and get some reactions. Let me know if you want to see that. Okay, we're just gonna take this off.
All right, so it's pretty cool. Definitely a novelty item. I mean, this was around $400 and something, and then on top of that, the shipping and the customs, it worked out well over $500. So it's probably not something that's for everyone. And I'm not sure how many people will be confident enough to actually wear this out in public. And that is all we have time for in this new episode of Unboxing Time. Definitely let me know what you thought of the new, more casual and quick format. Drop a comment below. If you want to pick up any of the items featured in this episode, they will all be linked down in the description below. Remember, if this video gets 10,000 likes, then I will do a video out in public with the Biovisor. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.